Namaste, I am Brinda here. Welcome to Brinda's Healthy Lifestyle. Today, let me show you a dessert and a drink using almond gum. Many of us doesn't know how almond gum can be used and the benefits of almond gum also let me say you here. So, let me show you how to soak this almonds. See here I have taken 4 almonds. You see this is almost like a crystal. It is very hard, so we need to soak it overnight. So here I have taken 4 almonds, in that 3 small crystals and another one is of medium size crystals. So here I am going to put this almond gum, or it is also known as badam pisin. I have taken it into a bowl and let me put almost a half cup of water to soak it. So let me leave that almost overnight. Let it soak for overnight. So here I have taken ripe banana. You see how ripe it is. I have taken almost 3 to 4 bananas here. So just to show I am showing this bananas, that's all. See, you see after soaking for overnight how does this badam pisin looks. Badam pisin or almond gum looks like this, like a jelly or like crystals. It looks like that. Great, kids love to have this if you prepare it tasty. So let us see how to do this dessert or drink using this badam pisin. You see the ingredients what all I have taken. Here I have taken almond gum or badam pisin which I have soaked overnight, and ripe banana chopped into small pieces, mint leaves, half slice of lemon and pomegranate. These are the ingredients where I am going to use for both dessert and drink. So I have taken a serving bowl here and just spreading a layer of banana. So let me spread this banana here. Once I spread this, let me add almost half spoon of almond gum or badam pisin. As we know, badam pisin is highly helpful for those people who have excessive body heat, which helps to cool down the body naturally. So later on, let me spread a layer of pomegranate seeds, again top it up with almond gum. Then repeat the same procedure. Again I am going to spread a layer of banana pieces, and then again I am going to add few pomegranates. After adding pomegranates, I am just going to top it up with just half spoon of almond gum or badam pisin. To have this badam pisin or almond gum, summer is the best time. This is also the best medicine for piles also. Now just top it up with honey. Here I have taken almost 2 full spoons of honey. If you want, you can increase or decrease as per your taste. So once you spread this, top it up with honey. Just top some few mint leaves just to decorate. See, I have topped it up with mint leaves, and you see how nice yummy it is. Kids love to have like this desserts where you can prepare it home itself. Let us see how to prepare drink now. So I have taken a small mixie jar here where I am going to fill almost 3/4 cup of pomegranates here. So once I add pomegranate, now I am going to add few mint leaves. Here I have taken almost some 4 to 5 mint leaves here. Then squeeze almost half or 1/4 slice of lemon, almost some 4 to 5 drops of lemon. Then once we add lemon, I am going to add just a pinch of pink Himalayan salt. So once we add pink Himalayan salt, just add some water. Here I have taken almost a half cup of water, and once the water is added, just close with the lid and just grind it or just mix it with the mixie. You see, I am just going to blend it nicely. Once the juice is blended, just take it to a serving glass. Here I have taken a serving glass. Let us pour this liquid to this serving glass. So once we have taken this to serving glass. Now I am going to add almost 1 to 1.5 tablespoon of almond gum or badam pisin. As almond gum helps in increasing body weight also, it is recommended for the underweight children and bodybuilders who are looking to increase their weight also. But as we know, too much is too bad. The best time to have this almond gum is summer. So just decorate this with few mint leaves and a slice of lemon. This is also ready. Now you see, I have used almond gum and did 2 recipes where it is yummy and tasty. Thank you.